students, and welcome back to BankExamsToday.com. So let's start with the UK Sinha's report, right? So students, due to many reasons actually on the national level, due to the GST, due to demonetization, due to ban on plastics in many localities, the MSMEs, they were facing the problems. The big enterprises, the big companies, they didn't face much issues, right? So even if they were facing any issues because of GST or demonetization, they had money, right? They had a lot of resources to get back. But for MSMEs, it was really difficult. So that's why the RBI set up the 8-member committee, 8-member expert committee, and the head was the UK Sinha, who is the ex-chairman of SEBI, and right now he's the MD of UTI mutual funds, right? And his job was to examine the factors affecting the timely and adequate availability of finance to the MSME sector. So students, due to demonetization and a lot of other factors, GST, ban on plastic, and a lot of other factors, the MSMEs, they were becoming NPAs. They were becoming NPAs because of these reasons. So that's why this panel was set up. We got the two updates from this, the report of this panel, the two outcomes that you should know. The first one that we got just yesterday, that a 5,000 crore rupees stress asset fund has been set up for MSME. Again, due to the demonetization and all, the committee recommends for the creation of distressed asset fund of 5,000 crore structured to assist the units in clusters where change in the external environment, GST, demonetization, ban on plastic, or anti-dumping led to large number of MSME to become NPAs. So for this purpose, this stressed asset fund of 5,000 crore has been set up. Although this is not a big money for MSME because there are a lot of enterprises and it is really difficult to reach them for the government of India and RBI. Anyway, they are just trying to provide the relief. This 5,000 crore fund has been set up. That is the first update. The second update, the limit on the collateral free loans. If you're already aware about the Mudra Yojana, the limit on the collateral free loan, collateral means security. Without security, you could get 10 lakh rupee of loan from the bank without giving any security, without providing collateral. That limit was 10 lakh rupees, but now that limit has been increased to 20 lakh rupees. Now RBI allowed the central government to increase the limit of collateral free loans from 10 lakh to 20 lakhs. That doesn't mean the limit of Mudra Yojana is now 20 lakh. It is still 10 lakh, but RBI now allowed the central government to provide collateral free loans of up to 20 lakh rupees. It is now allowed. Previously, this limit was 10 lakh and the government was providing the maximum of 10 lakh rupee loan, collateral free loan to the MSME under the Mudra scheme. There were 3 products under the Mudra scheme: Shishu scheme, up to 50,000 rupee of loan; Kishore scheme, 50,000 to 5 lakh; Tarun scheme, 5 lakh to 10 lakh rupee loan. So this was the Mudra scheme, right? 10 lakh was the limit. Now the central government is allowed to give loan of up to 20 lakh without any security. Now the government can raise this limit. Previously, they were not allowed to raise this limit because of the restrictions by RBI. Okay. So students, please rate that Bank Exams Today's mobile app on Google Play. Go to Google Play and there you can give us like 5 stars and you can write a review. And yes, a free demo course, a free course on RBI Grade B is available on Bank Exams Today's mobile app. All the links are available in the description. So that's all for today, students. Please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. That's really important for you as well. So thank you and have a very nice day. Bye. So if there is any doubt in your mind, please ask your questions and let me answer it. If somebody is online, koi online hai to pooch lo please. The internet is a little slow today. Okay, mobile internet is not working. So that's all for today, students. Thank you and have a very nice day. Bye.